Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create VDI microsegmentation with VMware NSX for vSphere. First, I'll navigate to the firewall and I'll add a section. My rules section will be called VDI. I'll select the VDI rule section and add a rule. The first rule I'll create will be called VDI to VDI block. In the source for the rule, I'm going to edit the source and create a new security group. My security group will be named VDI. And for the dynamic membership criteria, I'll choose computer name, contains VDI. If I wanted to include any other objects, I could include those statically here. And in the next screen, if I wanted to exclude any objects, I could do that here. I'll click Finish and Save. Now in my destination, I'll edit the destination field, choose the VDI group, and hit Save. I'll leave the service to any. I'll set the applied to field for the distributed firewall to the specific cluster for our VDI VMs. I'll change the action from allow to block. And if I wanted to log anything, I could enable logging there. Next, I want to create a rule above my VDI to VDI block to allow services for VDI to VDI communications such as Skype that my users use. So I'll select the three dots, click that, hit add rule above, and I'll call this rule VDI Skype. In my source, I'll edit the source to contain the security group for VDI. And the destination, edit that, select the VDI security group, and hit Save. Now for my Skype service, I'll edit the service, and I can create a new service for whatever custom service that my users are using for any sort of messaging client or something like that. In this case, I've predefined a service for Skype. So I'll search for Skype. I see both my TCP and UDP. I'll select both of those service groups and I'll hit Save. The applied to field, again, per best practice, I'll set that to something specific to the workloads, which is my compute cluster, and I'll hit Save. Next, the action will be set to allow, and I could again select logging if I wish to log for that. So let's review what we have. We have one rule created for VDI to VDI, blocking any services. And the rule above it, we've created VDI Skype, allowing from source to destination VDI Skype user TCP and UDP traffic. Thank you for watching this video. Run NSX.